Introducing TruBind's all-in-one wire binding machine, the TB-W20A. Designed for medium to high volume projects, it measures just under 15 inches in width and 11.5 inches in depth, making it the perfect fit for any workspace. It's equipped to punch and bind your projects with a 3-to-1 pitch twin loop wire and punches up to 34 square-shaped holes. It features disengageable pins, allowing you to customize the length of your binded edge. Follow these steps to get familiar with your machine. Let's start with 20 sheets of 20-pound paper for this project. Our chart recommends a 1/4 inch sized wire for less than 30 pages. Take this and place it on the fence for later. Next, push in the adjustable depth margin to the lowest setting of 4.5 millimeters. For future projects, increase the depth margin as you begin to add more pages. Lock in the adjustable side margin to the letter size line. This will help you get the perfect punch. Adjust the closing slider to the size of your wire to get the perfect close. Insert a single test document and pull the handle to punch. Review the holes and make any necessary adjustments, then punch the remaining stack. Align your holes to the wire, then use both hands to lift your project. Ensure that the opening of the wire is facing down. This is how it should look at the bottom of your closer. To close the wire, keep your project upright as you pull down the lever. With your test project now complete, your machine is all set to move on to your final project. Once you're done, don't forget to empty out the built-in waste bin. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. For this machine and many other products, visit our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.